Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locating every emoji in the clip. Scrub the timeline and mark exact time codes so you don't miss moving stickers. Once done, determine whether the emoji is burned into pixels or exists as an overlay layer, because that changes the method. Make sure to set project resolution to match source and pick a tool: traditional editor for manual painting, content-aware fill for short burns, or AI mask removal for complex motion. This gets you ready to remove accurately and efficiently. You now create a dynamic mask around each emoji and animate its path to follow motion. This isolates the area you will replace. Next, apply the chosen removal method: content-aware fill for short clean patches, clone stamp or patching for texture match, and temporal smoothing to avoid flicker. For complex camera moves or occlusions, generate or shoot a clean background plate, or use AI frame synthesis to reconstruct missing pixels. This step removes the symbol while preserving scene consistency. Finish by blending the repaired area into the surrounding footage. Match color, grain, and edge sharpness so the removal is invisible. Then render short test segments at full quality and inspect at 100% for residual artifacts or temporal pops. If you see issues, tweak masks, interpolation, or add subtle grain. Once clean, export using the original codec and bitrate settings to avoid quality shifts and save a project backup. If problems persist, recheck mask tracking accuracy. That is the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.